I have brought to you 8 hand-picked exercises that we've put into this workout right now. It's going to be for your entire body and it's going to do wonders for you. Welcome to this exciting full body workout by HealthifyMe. My name is Jay. This workout is good for beginners who want to begin their fitness journey and even those of you who have some experience in fitness. You guys can also ace this workout by increasing the intensity. The first one is jumping jacks. So just here, back and forth. We're going to do the same thing now for 45 seconds on my count. Let's begin in 3, 2, and start off. And that's it, guys. The first movement is done. The second movement we're going to do is a push-up now. Let me just show you one. You start in a plank position. Look to the front, down, and up. Let's begin the workout now in 3, 2, 1, and go. And that's it, guys. Movement 2 is done. The third movement we're going to do is a burpee on my count in 3, 2, 1, and go. And that's it, guys. Third movement done. The fourth movement is going to be a high plank. So just here, keep your arms straight, lift to the front. It's as simple as that. We're going to do 45 seconds again. We'll be beginning in 3, 2, 1, and start off. And that's it guys, the fourth one is well done. We're halfway through our workout now. Before we move further, let me tell you that we have just begun creating new content and we'll be uploading these videos in the coming weeks. HealthifyMe is going to be the perfect companion to guide you to your perfect health, whether it's to lose weight, get a new diet plan, nutrition plan, handle medical conditions such as diabetes, thyroid, hypertension, or even just building muscle or getting into the perfect shape. If you have not subscribed already, go and hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon and stay tuned to HealthifyMe's YouTube channel. The fifth movement we're going to be doing is a squat, just sitting down and coming back up. Just here and up. That's it. So we're going to do it for 45 seconds once again. We'll start on my count in 3, 2, and start off. And that's it guys, fifth one is well done. The sixth movement we're going to be moving to is a flutter kick. So right here, you're going to lift your legs up alternately. Just like that. Back and forth. So we're going to do that now for 45 seconds on my count in 3, 2, and start off. And that's it guys. Good job. Sixth one is well done. The seventh movement we're going to move to is a lunge. So just here, step in front and back. Alternating lunges once again on my count. We'll start in 3, 2, and begin. And that's it guys, seventh movement is well done. We're almost in the last one. The final movement we're going to be doing now is a bicycle crunch. Once again on the floor. You lie down and you're going to get alternate knee to your elbow. So we're going to do the same thing once again, 45 seconds. In 3, 2, and start off.
And that's it, guys. The last exercise as well, done.
The full body workout is done. Add this to your own personal playlist and come back and do this 3 to 4 times a week for a month. You can repeat this workout for 2 to 3 rounds and increase the intensity. This is going to help you burn more calories, get leaner and get stronger. Make sure to drink a lot of protein and drink a lot of water. Make sure you get sufficient sleep and let your body recover. Let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to the HealthifyMe YouTube channel for more content on workouts, diet plans, weight loss and medical wellness, and much more. Like this video, share it across with your friends and family, save this video in the watch later playlist or create a new personal playlist. Subscribe to the HealthifyMe channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching.